Jatend migao mar thieth Susan Nakhumicha koro okoni giikore mar bedo piny kendo twak kod lakteche wi ng'anyo madhi nyime e pacho ka. Nakhumicha mane loso e kaunti ma Kajiado koni bang' ndalo adek gidhi bedo ka giseyudo duoko makare mar tieko ng'anyo. Jalup gavana ma Kajiado Martin Moshisho bende okoni nyaka lakteche yie winjo twak madhi tieko midhiero mar ng'anyo ka okoni ma e kinde ma lakteche ma bandia tiyo kod jotuo e yo ma ok owinjore.
We pray most earnestly that a solution be found together. Negotiation requires a give and take, and the sooner this is done, the better.
We are hopeful that with the collaboration with the Council of Governors, I know we are working hand in hand to make sure that we come with the best decision that will bring a mediation to this stalemate. Then our country will continue to receive health services.
I want to assure you and assure the public in Kenya that as a government, we are working round the clock to ensure an amicable and lasting solution is reached. What we do not want to do as a government is to put a bandage on a wound without treating it. That is why we are taking our time. And since morning, I have had 3 meetings. And I want to assure Kenyans that this situation is going to be in control. If not tomorrow, in the next few days, we are going to reach an agreement.
Jaod Buramasia Christine Ombaka koro dwaro ni jatend migao mar thieth Susan Nakhumicha gwetao nikech okoso tieko ng'anyo mar lakteche masani koro osekalo